guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, hey, thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's good to see you back on my channel. So today I'm going to try out the Foxy eye makeup look. I know this is a video that's been taking the internet by storm, and I really want to try out for myself because, you know, I want to create that kind of like sharp, lifted eye look for myself. I have hooded eyes, so it'd be really great to see if this look would look really good on me, I guess. So yeah, I want to jump in on the wave and see if I can create a really cute Foxy eye look. As you guys can see, I've already done my base because I think we're going to be focusing more on my eyes. So I just went ahead and did my foundation and my powder as well as my eyebrows. So I'm just going to go in and try and create this look. Hopefully it works out for me because I'm not really much of a eye makeup kind of person. Let's see if we can get this. So yeah, as always, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you enjoy the video, and don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments down below. So yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into it and hopefully this turns out great, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom up now so you guys can see my eyes. Alrighty, so in all the tutorials I've seen so far, they're going with like a brown or black kind of like eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna do is this is hella ratchet. This was an MUA eyebrow kit that I got years ago. I'm gonna go in with this mini palette here, and I'm gonna go in with this angled U Spicy brush, if you guys can see that. And I'm just gonna take the black and I'm gonna dab it in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line, like a winged line, and I'm just gonna extend it all the way up to kind of like just beneath my eyebrow. I don't wanna go too wild to kind of get that accentuated eye look. I guess that's the whole purpose, is just to kind of like extend your eye. So that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully it works out. I mean, it looks pretty good. Yeah, my eyes look, I mean, no they don't. We've just started. Let me hold on. Let me hold the horses. Okay, let me hold on. Okay, going up to my right eye now. I'm so bad with eye makeup. I'm always blinking. Like, why am I blinking when my brush is on my eye? Okay, that looks really good. So what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to get this brush, just this fluffy brush from Eco. I believe what I should be doing is just blending it out, right? To make it a little bit more softer. And I'm just going to take it up to my crease as well. Doing that. Now what I'm going to do is, I was unsure as to whether to use my Makeup Revolution palette, so I'm thinking I might just go in with this brown. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this flat brush, and again I'm just kind of like going to draw over it to add more kind of depth, but with a warmer colour. That looks really good. We've got, I'm so happy right now. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm just building. Okay, that looks good, right? Okay, I think this one's a little thicker, so I'm gonna stop. But I'm just taking it into the crease. I like the way that looks. That looks really good, actually. I'm really surprised. And I'm just gonna slightly blend it out. Right, so I think I'm really more or less done with that. There's really nothing else to do. What I might do is, this is probably where I'll mess up, I'm going to go in with a warmer or a cooler tone into the centre of my lids. I think I'm going to go, let me see what this colour actually looks like, because I've never tested it before. Sorry, this colour right here in this. Okay, it actually looks quite nice, like a pale tone. This area of my eye, just to make it pop a little more. And again, I'm just going to go with this brush that I use to blend everything out, and I'm just going to do exactly the same. Just make it, blend it out. Okay, I'm happy at this point. I feel like this is really it. So I'm gonna go in with this highlighting palette. This is from Makeup Revolution. I normally use this to highlight, but I'm gonna go in with this pale color, which I've never touched ever. You guys can see. I'm just gonna go in and dab this in, just to add some shimmer to my lids. And just blend it out. Ooh, This is nice. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go in with this, okay, so I'm going to go in with this eyebrow pencil. It's meant to be like a dark brown. Let's see the colour. Is this too dark though? It might be too dark. Maybe my chestnut might be a nice colour actually. That's a bit purple though, isn't it? Ooh, actually it might work. Let's see. I'm going to line my eyes with this chestnut liner. I'm going to see what this looks like. Ooh, I quite like that. Ooh, that's really nice. Yeah, it's actually really nice. What do you guys think? I'm liking this, I'm liking it. So now that's done, so now I'm going to go in with my Revlon all-in-one mascara, and I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on the outer corners of my lashes and a little bit on the inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this. I kind of feel like it's definitely lifted my eyes a little bit. I mean, that's the whole purpose of this eye look, is to lift your eyes, and I'm definitely seeing it. And I'm feeling it, like, for sure. Okay, so now that's done, what I'm going to do is, just before I put mascara, put my eyelashes on, is I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes, because I haven't done that. And hopefully that will, like, create that really sharp look. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. So anyway, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline, the Instant Age Eraser Maybelline Concealer. So anyway, now I'm just going to set with my banana setting powder, again the one from Primark. Oh, this concealer, oh my goodness, this powder, everything, I just love the combination. So now I'm just going to quickly go in with contour, and then I'm going to do my lashes, which will be the last step to this makeup look. Okay, so I've gone ahead and just contoured and added some highlight to my cheekbones. Anyway, so last but not least, I'm going to go in with some lashes. I'm going to go in with these, I don't actually know what lash these are. It says it's in the Eldora box. I know these are not the Eldora lashes, because those are my favourites, so these are not them. I just put them in here. And in order to create this look, what I've seen a lot of people do, they tend to cut the lashes in half and then just stick it onto the outer corners of their eyes to get that fluttery kind of look. So I'm just going to get my scissors and I'm going to cut the lashes in half. Okay, so that's the piece that I'm going to be using. Okay guys, so I was literally just about to stick these pieces onto my lashes. Then I realized they're actually too short, first of all, and they're just really, they look too thick for my eyes, like they look too heavy. I'm not going to go in with these lashes. I have found some old shabby lashes of mine. I'm not even going to show you what they look like, but I'm going to use, yeah, I'm just going to use them. They look really bad, but yeah, I'm just going to use those. I think this is for this eye, so I will cut a little bit off. So I'm going to do it again, and I'm just going to cut off this bit. So I think this is the right shape that I should have, right? The half lashes. So, and I'm now going to cut the other one as well. Okay, let's give it a go. Round two, second round. Okay, so I'm just going to put them onto my tweezers again. I'm going to use this duo glue. And I've left a little bit of a gap between my actual lash and where the lashes are. So it creates that kind of like wispy look, and oh my gosh, oh my goodness, stop it. That looks so good. Okay, so the lashes are on. Wow, like I'm actually really surprised right now at how amazing this looks. Like, really? Wow. Okay, so now last but not least, what I'm going to do is, just because obviously I left a gap, so there's just a little bit of a gap where the lashes are lifted to kind of create that foxy, wispy kind of look. So I'm just going to go in with this eyeshadow palette again and this angled brush. I'm going to take the black. I'm just going to fill it in the little line here, connecting. And that's really it. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do my lipstick. I really like this colour. Good lip liner hack. If you're ever running out of lip liner, use your concealer or your contour. I'm just going to quickly go off camera, wash my hands, put some earrings in, and I'm going to come back to you guys with the finished look. But this is more or less it. So yeah, just give me a second and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I will say I'm definitely in love with the way this look turned out. I was not expecting it, and here we are. So yeah, I'm looking like the Bella Hadid. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this is me right now. Like, yes, looking cute. Yeah, I'm really pleased with the way this makeup look turned out. It's so simple, and I'm definitely going to be trying it more often. My eyes look incredible, and I definitely have that kind of like snatched, pulled back look. You guys can see I went ahead and I did the hairstyle as well, just to kind of like match the whole kind of like look. Yeah, like I'm really loving this look. I really like it. It's so simple, it's so easy. If you guys want to try it out, give it a go. All you need, I would say, is about 3 different eyeshadow shades to get this look going, or 2. You can even get away with 2 because it's all about creating that extended wing look with the eyeshadow. So yeah, if you've already tried it out, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know how you find if you have already tried out this look, let me know how it went for you. If you enjoyed creating the look, if you'll definitely be doing it again, because for me, I'm like, okay honey, I look like I have cheekbones, I look like I have a snatched, pulled back look, and I'm like, I'm so here for it. And I am gonna take some bomb ass pictures. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you found it like an easy enough tutorial to follow. I have hooded eyes, so if I can achieve this look with my hooded eyes, if you have non-hooded eyes, I'm pretty sure you can achieve this look even better. So yeah, if that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.